The Marquis has since spent the last 5 years in the California Automobile Museum in Sacramento. Prior to that, the Marquis was at the Harrah's Museum on display, and then prior to that, it was at the Peterson Museum. So the Marquis has had a lot of museum exposure, shall we say, and out in where it should be, as far as I'm concerned. My feeling is exposed to the public, for them to see the type of work and design that Bill Cushenbery was capable of producing. Bill was very, very creative. He liked to build exotic, one-off prototype cars. That was really where his heart was. That's the type of thing that Bill always strived to do, was to make something so unusual, using his talents and exposing his capabilities of making something that would draw people to the car. That was what Bill's design work was all about.